Fiverr made its first millionaire in 2013. Since then thousands more have followed. But in 2026 something changed everything: AI. Now one person with a laptop and the right AI tools can offer services that used to require an entire team. Today I'm showing you exactly how to make real money on Fiverr using AI, even if you're starting from absolute zero today. Step 1. Understanding why Fiverr plus AI is unstoppable. Fiverr is a marketplace where millions of Americans and businesses worldwide pay for services every single day. Writing, design, video, coding, marketing, everything. Before AI, you needed real skills that took years to learn. Now AI gives you those skills in minutes. ChatGPT makes you a writer. Canva AI makes you a designer. 11 Labs makes you a voice artist. Midjourney makes you an illustrator. The barrier to entry has collapsed completely. Step 2. The 5 highest paying AI Fiverr services right now. Number 1. AI Video Scriptwriting. Businesses pay $50 to $300 per script. Number 2. AI Thumbnail Design. YouTubers pay $20 to $100 per thumbnail. Number 3. AI Voiceover Services. Clients pay $50 to $200 per project. Number 4. AI Blog Writing. Businesses pay $50 to $500 per article. Number 5. AI Chatbot Setup. Businesses pay $200 to $1,000 per chatbot. These 5 services alone can generate $500 to $3,000 per week on Fiverr. Step 3. Setting up your Fiverr profile for US clients. Go to Fiverr.com and create a free account. Use a professional profile photo, even an AI-generated one works. Write your bio using ChatGPT. Ask it to write a professional Fiverr bio for a digital marketing freelancer with expertise in AI tools. Set your profile language to English. This positions you perfectly for high-paying US clients. Step 4. Creating your first gig. Your first gig should be AI scriptwriting or AI thumbnail design. Both have massive demand and low competition right now. Title your gig something like, "I will write an engaging YouTube video script using AI in 24 hours. Price it at $15 for basic, $35 for standard, $75 for premium. Use ChatGPT to write your entire gig description. Add portfolio samples, create 3 fake samples using AI to show your quality. Step 5. Getting your first 5-star review. The hardest part of Fiverr is getting your first review. Here's the fastest way. Price your first 3 gigs at $5, below market rate. Deliver extraordinary quality using AI. Ask every client politely for a review. Once you have 5 reviews, raise your prices to normal rates. Those first 5 reviews will bring a flood of new clients automatically. Step 6. Scaling to $500 per week. Once you have reviews, raise prices and add more gigs. Offer packages. Add express delivery for extra fees. Create gigs in multiple AI service categories. The top Fiverr sellers in AI services are making $5,000 to $20,000 per month. From the same laptop you're using right now, in the same amount of hours you have available every day. Step 7. The secret most Fiverr sellers don't know. The highest paid Fiverr sellers don't just do the work, they use AI to do the work for them. A client orders a blog post. ChatGPT writes it in 2 minutes. You review, polish, and deliver in 1 hour, and charge $200. Your actual time investment is 60 minutes. Your hourly rate is $200. This is the Fiverr AI formula that is making people rich in 2026. Fiverr plus AI is one of the fastest ways to go from zero income to $500 a week in 2026. No degree required. No experience required. No investment required. Just a free Fiverr account and the AI tools we talk about every week on this channel. Which service are you going to offer first? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. Subscribe to Tech Mind Daily for more real ways to make money using AI every single week. See you in the next one.